In this video, I'm going to show you where to find or how to get promo codes for Shop LC. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. So what we need to do is open up a web browser and head on over to google.com. Once you're here, simply type in promo code for Shop LC and then hit enter. And now we're in the Google search results and we've got a few different third-party sites offering different coupon promo codes. So off the bat, I can see we've got Coupon Follow, Real Tell Me Not, Savings.com, Coupon.com, Join Honey. So we can check out any one of these sites to find or get a promo code. But one I like to use is either Real Tell Me Not or Coupon Follow. But for this demonstration, I'm going to head on over to Coupon Follow. A cool thing about this site, if we scroll down here, we can see previously offered deals and features. So we can see there was 25% off new arrivals, etc. And what this does, this just gives us a sense of what type of promo codes they might offer in the future. Because if you don't like the current ones, just wait a bit and then, yeah, you might get the new promo code. That might be a bit better than the previous ones. But at the moment, they've got 25% off diamond jewelry with code, or we've got shop 40% off plus free shipping at Shop LC. So to activate this code, simply click on show coupon code. And then from here, copy code and paste this code at the checkout section of shoplc.com to enjoy your 40% off plus free shipping. These codes do expire, by the way, so if one code expires, just simply move on to the next one.